guys, what's up? TK421 back today with another video, and today I'm going to be playing Break-In Story with one of my friends, Bacon2040, who wishes to become a YouTuber. So, Bacon2040, you can join the game now.
Okay. The hungry, the best one. I am the hungry.
Don't see ya. Where are you, Bacon2040? Yes, this might sound bad.
I am here on the step wall.
I don't think I see you. No, I don't see you.
I'm at the house. Are we even in this?
Why are you at the house? Why are you at the house?
We're not in the same server. You know what, I'm gonna
Just press join, okay? Press
Are you on easy
join.
or hard mode?
Press join for me.
Are you on easy or hard mode?
I'm an adult.
Yeah, you can be a kid. I'm gonna be. Now let's be an adult. I want the baseball bat.
Yeah, the baseball bat's so cool. I can literally hit. Wait, I can't hit right.
I don't see you. Wait, did you already go in the story?
No.
Did you already go in the story?
No. So hurry up, join my server.
Did you go in the story already?
No.
Then where are you?
I'm at the lobby still. I'm in the game, but I did not enter any bus.
Me too. I'm here at the stairs where the house is.
I'm not at the house. Don't go to the house.
You're not on the list.
Yeah, because we're not in the same server. We're wasting a bunch of time here.
Okay, I'm gonna go into
Go to the chat. Press join for me. Oh, this could be total failure over here.
I know, right? Requested game is full. That's probably why I can't join you.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the game and try.
Let's,
Oh.
I'll go into a server and you'll join me.
Okay, because we're wasting valuable time. I only have a 15-minute max on my recorder. Okay, I'm gonna join your server. I'm gonna join your mommying server. We are already almost 4 minutes in.
Yeah, we're getting total.
Oh, I think I see you. Yo, I see you.
It's a friend.
We're friends. Okay, follow me.
It's a big friend Roblox pro.
Yes, we're going. Oh my god, we're going. Okay, let's see.
I got chips for the
Oh my god, how did you get chips already? Literally, how did you get chips already? Oh my god.
Maybe get chips.
Sure, I mean, I wish I could get chips, but my parents think I should not have dessert every night. They're so cruel. Oh, I don't know why my parents sent me here with no parents, with no adults. I've been in this game since I was a tiny kid. Hello, welcome to your new home.
Give me that.
How am I already at low energy? Oh my god. Hey, give me that apple. Okay. Finally, some food. Oh, I love apples. They're just the best.
I want to get the bed beside the desk. This is my bed. No one will steal it.
I'm in the blue room too, yo.
We have to get the blue room. No one will stop us.
Yeah, because usually the blue room doesn't get attacked.
No one always gets attacked.
Yeah. But blue's my favorite color, so I chose the blue room. Because it's blue.
I only have $20 and I'm low energy. Why do I have $20?
I'm trying to find the...
Oh, a free cookie. I want a free cookie.
Oh, no, not even this one.
Oh, wait. Let's get that Coke behind the toilet.
Okay, I'm going to check the jailbreak sign.
I'm looking just looting this house.
Which sign? Oh, this has to be it.
Cookie. Give me that free cookie.
Oh my god, I found it. Oh my god, I found it. I found the safe. I found the safe, yo.
Whoa. How do we open it? What's the code? This is just 111. Okay, it's not 1111. Okay. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be 1111. It's the cat.
Might be like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god. Imagine it is. Go try it. Go try it.
Oh my god, it's starting tonight.
And I wanted a weapon, and now I want a weapon.
Oh yeah, I'm sitting down at the table. Oh yeah. Okay, we're supposed to be social distancing here, but I guess nobody here believes in COVID except for me.
Let's get in.
Oh my god! Why are you here? This is my chair. This is my chair. I'm gonna kill you if you. Hey, stop! This is a total failure episode. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we might make a part 2 of this. Oh, somebody's at the door. I'm not gonna answer it.
We're gonna answer it. I wanna answer it.
Okay. Bacon 2040, open the door.
It's Pizza Man.
It's the Pizza Man. Oh, I love pizza. Love pizza.
Man pizza.
I got some pizza.
No, I ate a pizza slice. I don't want to.
I love pizza. I love pizza. Hey.
Oh, I forgot. Isn't the energy bar our HP, right?
Yeah.
Oof, oh my god, mine's so low. Oh no. I don't have anything to fight with. Run away, kid runs away.
Why is a friend calling me?
The television is still running? Breaking news. Breaking news.
I'm not down there. I'm at the bedroom.
Breaking news.
Okay, let's see. I can see it, but I'm upstairs.
Skip. Press skip.
Yeah, I hate this.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
The purge has begun.
Villains are on the loose and should be avoided. Do not engage them, or you may be injured.
Oh yeah.
Hands are being invaded and destroyed. I repeat that this is not a drill. Stay inside. Protect your families. Keep doors locked and windows closed. Use cords to secure your windows and doors. The invader is Scary Larry.
Oh my gosh, scary.
You need to run.
He's not really that scary.
He's Larry scary. What are you guys saying?
Yeah, I'm literally in the bed across from you, so.
Yeah, I get the best bed in all of
Yeah, you're good.
Let's just get my
I'm sleeping.
energies, 'cause
I'm sleeping. That's good. Bacon 2040, go to bed.
I'm already in the bed.
Oh.
Roblox, bro. I get to have the whole desk and laptop. Wow,
I hope
feel
we
so
don't get attacked. I hope we don't get attacked. Please say we don't get attacked.
Yeah, we're getting attacked.
Of course, we always get attacked, don't we?
Well, at least I don't have anything to fight with.
I'm gonna have to defend you.
Come on. Oh, come on. Oh my god, why is he after me?
I have to fight him all by myself. I'm gonna die. Die. Oh, I got the cash. Well, that was a nice survival. I'm still good. I don't think I lost that much.
Did you just say that was nice?
Hey, somebody's going to the. Can you do the computer thing, please? In our room, the computer. Can you go on the computer, please?
Why?
Because I'm scared to go there. Hey, what? We're the same age. You're just way shorter. And I'm kind of scared to go.
Why? Why are you scared?
Because I remember one time I didn't solve the puzzle and literally one of the burglars literally attacked me.
Man. Look, it's Meow Meow.
So I think that's it for today. Hopefully, I'll see y'all next time. Okay.
With Meow
Bye!
Meow.